Esther! Esther! What's wrong? What did they say? Talk to me now.
I can't.
You can't what now? What did they say?
I can't.
You can't what? You can't what? What did they say now?
No! No! This can't be real! No! This can't be real! What kind of God would do this to the people he claims to love?
Calm down. You're really loud right now. You're shouting, you're scaring me now. What did the doctor say? What did the doctor say? Talk to me now. Talk to me now.
It's all over.
Don't say that.
It's all over now.
Don't say that. What did they say now?
I can't.
You can't what?
I can't hear anything. What? Why are you staring?
You actually look beautiful.
You have come again, James.
You actually do look like an angel.
I'm sorry. What did you say?
You look like an angel.
Ha. Ngwanu. Angel ko. Angels have two perfectly good ears and...
You need to stop saying that.
Stop saying what? The truth. That God created me and forgot to give me a good set of ears.
That's not true.
Well, it is for me.
Esther,
As if that was not enough. He took away the only family that I had. Why? Tell me why, James, why?
I mean, I may not have all the answers to your question, but I know that God loves you.
Then why am I alone, James? I don't want to be alone.
See, God's plan was not for us to live with pain and suffering. That was the devil. God wanted us to have perfect lives, you and I. But it was Adam's sin that brought in sickness and pain. So if you are looking for somebody to blame Adam.
Pastor James. You won't let me be sad in peace.
Why will I allow you to be sad in peace? I mean, why am I here?
I don't know about your God, but I have you. You are my guardian angel.
Where's your hearing aid? Where's your hearing aid? What did the doctor say? What did the doctor...
What did the doctor say?
Yeah.
Did you just ask me what the doctor said?
What did the doctor say?
I was partially deaf. But now I am fully deaf. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Start. Life, oh life, everything's beautiful when you can see it. That works. Life, oh life. This actually works. Life, oh life, everything's beautiful when you
James?
can. Yeah?
What's your biggest fear?
Well, that's a difficult question.
Oh, please, it's not that difficult.
Well, for me, it is. I haven't been scared of anything ever since I accepted Jesus.
Oh, come on. You're not even scared of death.
No. Why would I be scared of death when I know I'm going to heaven?
Well, I will tell you my biggest fear. It's losing my music.
Okay, when you put it like that, I think my biggest fear would be not running for Nigeria in the Olympics.
Everybody's scared of something, no matter how small or how we choose to handle that fear.
You're right.
James, I'm really scared. What if I lose my hearing completely?
I'm not losing anything.
I can't hear in one ear. What happens if I can't hear in both? Music is the only thing that keeps me going. It's the only thing that gives me happiness. The money I make from gigs, that's what keeps me going. I've got nothing left, James. Nothing. I'm afraid. What if I lose my hearing completely? I don't know what I would do with myself.
I'm not going to lie and say that things won't get tough. I mean, it's not every day that Joseph is going to be chilling in his father's house. Sometimes the boy might just be in the pit, waiting to be sold as a slave. But the underlying factor is that God is with him. And that's all that matters. And that's what made him happy. That should be your happiness too.
I don't know about your God. But you are my happiness.
Everything's going
my music.
Everything will be alright, but Esther, I'm not going to say that everything will...
I can't hear you. I can't hear anything.
Calm down now, Esther. Calm down.
No. I am an orphan. I have no one.
Don't say that now. You have me. Esther, you have me.
I can't hear you. I can't hear anything.
You have me now, Esther. Calm down. Okay, calm down. Calm down.
I just can't live like this.
No, calm down. Esther!
James, you came.
Esther, you're all right.
Isn't 8 a big enough reason?
There's no reason that's big enough to take that.
James, you don't understand. I have lost enough already. If I lose my hearing, I lose my life.
You're not going to lose your hearing.
What if I do?
If you do, you don't have to take this. God will see you too.
I've heard that one before.
You're making it look like everyone is living a perfect life, Esther. Like I've had a perfect life. I didn't work until I was 15. Now I'm running. What if I give up then?
That was different, James. That was different. You had your mother.
Esther, would you rather be a dog or a lion?
A lion.
Of course, you choose a lion, the king of the jungle. I know I would too. But would you rather be a dead lion or a living dog?
Well, if you put it that way, of course, I'll choose a dog. But James, I don't want to be a dog.
Now that I've said dog now, you are thinking about all these street dogs in Nigeria. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about those dogs in Banana Island Mansion. Those ones that, as in, even their back is wrong. It's like this. It's from the tummy.
Leave me, Joe.
See, it's perspective. You're a dog, you're not a lion.
And how is this helping?
A lion and his pride have to fend for themselves. But you see, a dog, that Banana Island dog, has his owner to take care of it.
James. And how am I similar to this Banana Island dog?
You have God, and He will take care of you. See, hope is what makes this life worth living. Hope is what makes this street dog, Joelegba, strive hard each day, because he knows that one day, it just might find its way into Banana Island. So in conclusion, I hope with these following points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that a living dog is better than a dead lion.
Promise me you'll always be there.
I
Promise.
promise I'll always be there for you.
Then I'll always have hope.
Put your faith in me. Put it in God. What have you done? Esther, what have you done? Esther, what have you done?
I don't want to die.
Oh, you won't die. Somebody help us! Somebody help us! Jesus, help me. Jesus, help me. Oh my goodness. Oh, goodness.
I don't know why I don't know why I took it.
No, Jesus. Somebody help us!
I am so sorry, God. I disappointed you.
It's alright, don't worry. You're going to leave, Esther. Okay, let's take deep breaths. Deep breaths. take deep breaths, Esther, please. Take deep breaths. Let's go. Esther.
I have a reason to hope.
Reason to what? Esther!